Hello, this tutorial will show you how to edit your eJam Jobseeker profile. First, go to ejamjobs.com. Click the Register button. Then click the Login button at the top right of the screen and log in. Click the top left of the screen. Scroll through the drop-down menu and click Edit Profile. Here, you will be able to change your profile picture, your first name, your last name, as well as the address in which you currently reside in, your phone number, the position/job title, which is based on your resume and overall professional history, what you have experience in, how many years in which you have obtained such experience, your degree if you have one. Here are the options. Your employment status, where you are currently residing, and where you are interested to work within. This is very important because when employers look at your profile, they'll be able to quickly gauge your interest in terms of your future employment. So you want to make sure that you fill this out. This is your About Me, which should always be in the third person point of view with no contact information and very professionally presents yourself as well as what you are looking to gain in terms of employment. If you have a professional Facebook account, you could go ahead and include it here as well as a LinkedIn account. Make sure that your profile is not private so that you're able to be viewed by employers, that you do receive jobs alerts, and that you fill out what your desired job category is. Because of the history that I have had, I'm going to say that I'm looking for customer service as well as bookkeeping and maybe even administrator. If you want to change your password, you would change it here. And you make all updates by clicking the update button. And you could go ahead and check if the changes that you made have been saved by going back to the edit profile and scrolling down to see that everything was changed. If you also want to make similar changes to your resume or to add documents such as a certificate or a diploma to your eJam Jobseeker profile, simply go at the very top of the screen and click the 3 lines that are horizontally placed at the top left hand of the screen. Here, the drop-down menu will reappear and you will click accordingly. If you want to add documents, go to Documents, Add New, and fill that out appropriately. If you want to add a new resume, go to Resume and add Resume. Make sure to put in a title for your resume, a description of what it is, your resume category, which is illustrative of your professional history. As I've mentioned earlier in this video, as well as in previous videos, the resume for my tester eJam Jobseeker profile is mainly customer service oriented. So here for my resume category, I would then choose customer service. The experience, also known as the amount of time that you've acquired such professional history in, your resume type, which you would then click upload so that you can choose file and click accordingly. Remember, do not upload a picture of your resume, but actually the real document. So you want to click browse. So make sure that it's saved on your phone before you click browse. And finally, always put that the status is active. Going back to the top of the screen, if you want to add a cover letter, you click cover letter and you add cover letter. Would then complete this tutorial. Please make sure to stay tuned for other tutorials coming soon. Thank you.